In this video, you will learn how to add the Google Map widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Google Map. The top section shows a preview of how the map will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. The first step is to choose the location for the map. You can enter a zip code, city, state, province, or latitude and longitude. The zoom slider adjusts the zoom level of the map, showing more or less of the surrounding area. The map type setting chooses which map type will be displayed. Options are road, satellite, terrain, or hybrid. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the Google Map widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the style settings. In the style settings, you have options for the transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to a page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings menu. If you need additional Google Map widgets, you can add additional maps from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.